Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to set up your Roblox on your Meta Quest 3. So at first, just take out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as your navigation bar is out, just open the store and download the Roblox. And as you download it, open your library and find Roblox and enter it. And as you enter, go in the option sign up if you don't have an account. But if you have an account, just go on log in and just fill out the details and log into the game. So guys, that's how you set up Roblox on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.